Sometimes I feel that our heartbeats are just like sound of the waves. It gives life to the sea. ঢেউ ভাঙার শব্দ। This is something which I really like about it. And you know what? There is something in this sea which bring me back here again and again. Away from Kolkata, Mandarmani has one of the longest beaches in India. If you are talking about short and quick weekend fun trip, যেখানে থাকবে শুধুই অনাবিল আনন্দ আর থাকবে প্রকৃতির সাথে একান্তে কিছুটা সময় কাটানো, then Mandarmani and Tajpur is the perfect destination for you. Experience breathtaking views from beachside resorts and hotels. Enjoy delicious beachside lunches in Tajpur. Enjoy your fullest because this is it. This is your one life and it's happening now. So don't stop. বেঁচে থাকুক জীবনের প্রতিটা মুহূর্ত। I love to watch the sunset from here. Maybe it gives me peace and hope. Watching the sun go soft and dissolve into the seamless sky আমাকে মনে করায় কাল আবার এক নতুন দিন আসবে, কাল আবার একটা নতুন সূর্য উঠবে। So live this moment, dream for tomorrow because life is too short. Let's overcome those bad times and sorrow.